I'm Abby Vogt with Abridge Aging Life Care Management, and I'm here with Dennise Grayson with Oconee Law Firm. Dennise, what brought you to working with the aging and persons with special needs?
My parents. I moved back home when my parents were in their 80s and decided to focus my law practice on ways to help the elder population because I could see the changes that they were going through and the challenges that they had as an older adult. And working with an estate planning client who had a family member with special needs drew me into that world as well.
Yeah. And what happens if a family isn't proactive about getting their legal documents in place?
Then the family is going to be forced to use the court system for a legal guardianship or legal conservatorship, which can be very expensive and invasive. And it also puts a lot of stress on the family member with special needs or the elderly family member to have to experience a court hearing.
Yeah. And through your experience, when do you know it's the right time to engage an aging life care manager through Abridge to support your clients?
We are often giving legal advice to clients and then discover that there are areas that need to be addressed that really aren't under the umbrella of legal advice. For example, if a client's adult child is communicating with them regularly or maybe even dropping off food and they assume that mom or dad is eating that food, but then they discover they're not. Or if we are working with, say, a spouse who weighs 100 pounds, who's trying to bathe a 200-pound spouse, and we realize the risk for fall is there. There are just a lot of things that, as an attorney, we see it's a problem, but it's not legal advice. And that's not our area of expertise, but we know they need someone to come in with that expertise to guide them and show them some of the other options that might make their life a little easier.
And how do you see our collaborative role showing up when families who are having difficulty navigating healthcare decisions?
We've seen that when the family member is working with someone, say, in a hospital going to a rehab, maybe there's a broken hip or something needing extra care. It's a lot to navigate, and having an advocate such as yourself can talk to the insurance companies and try to protect the interest of the client or the patient rather than having an insurance company make those decisions on what's available or what the options are.
Thank you, Dennise. It's been a pleasure collaborating with Dennise Grayson and Oconee Law Firm.
Thank you, Abby. I appreciate it.